Okay, what's up guys? Today I just got this new HP laptop from Best Buy. It was on sale for $350 the day right before Thanksgiving 2012. And really excited to have this. About to just open it up for you guys. Just let me get this side. Oh, I'm not trying to cut it too far deep because I might cut the laptop, which is a bad thing obviously. Trying to be careful. I'll list all the specs in the description below, but this is a 17.3-inch screen, Intel processor, not sure which one, not the i3s or anything like that. 500GB hard drive, 4GB RAM, pretty standard. So first, here's the inside. First we have the power brick and charger. Here's the battery right here. I believe it says 4,200 milliamp. Pretty thin battery. I don't know about the battery life on this, but here's the brick. Pretty standard nowadays, not too big. And this right here, the adapter goes like this, plugs in like this. So that's that in that corner, and then here's the actual laptop. Bunch of paperwork and stuff. Got nice black foam padding, good for shipping and stuff. Let's open the seal now. There we go, seal's open. This is Windows 8. Has that pre-installed. It's got the little protection on it. Let me move this out of the way. It's a pretty big laptop. This is my hand compared to it. So let's open it up. And there it is. Wow, decent sized keyboard. It's fully spaced out. Everything, the layout seems nice. Screen is huge. It's got the built-in webcam as usual. It says Intel Pentium over here, so that's the processor. Let me go over the ports on the side. It's got your VGA, HDMI, Ethernet, 2 USBs, and your headphone and microphone, and a card reader right here. The front is plain, basically, nothing on it. You got your CD slot here, CD drive, and another 8 USB port, and your charging port right here, and a Kensington lock. Here's the front, again, with the protector on it. The back, I'll put the battery in for you so you can see. It goes in like this, or somehow, there we go, battery's in. It's flush with the back of it. And yeah, it's pretty much the whole laptop. Let me open it up for you again, show you the inside. I'll do a boot up for you. Just turned on. This screen is big. It says Pavilion G7 over here. It's the brand. Also got security software with it and Geek Squad protection for a year. Still booting up right now. It's taking a little time. Oh. Alright, so it's just telling me to register and sign up and everything. So, thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.